morning! Welcome back to my vlog. Christmas season, ang daming gagawin and wala akong masyadong time off sa trabaho. So, sorry, but anyway, I'm back now. And today, some of my friends are coming over, mga ate ko, mga Filipino girls from here as well. One of them needs to do some paperwork and I'm gonna help her. At kasama din niya yung isa pa naming friend. So we decided that we'll have lunch na lang as well. So one of them should be on the way now. And I've already made some stuff. Gumawa ako ng biko because I know the recipe now from my previous vlogs. I was gonna do Kwek-kwek. Pero I did try to find itlog ng pugo pero wala akong nakita. And sa delivery naman, it'll take 6 to 10 days to dispatch. Hindi to deliver. So, obviously, I don't have much time. So, I thought tokneneng na lang. And, yun yung chicken, itlog ng manok. So, they're bigger. At gagamitin ko yung recipe ni Smile Lyra. Napanood ko nung gumawa sila ng tokneneng. Kasama niya not tokneneng. Kwek-kwek. Kasama niya si Ray's. Hindi ko exactly kinopya yung recipe niya. Pero I think naalala ko, hindi rin siya nagme-measure eh. So, tansya lang. So, tansyahin na lang natin. So, yun yung gagawin ko ngayon. And I think I'm gonna start now. You see, kanina pa ako asikaso sa kusina. So, kaya naka-apron na ako. Pero I will get the ingredients ready. See you in a bit. Hi, ayan. So, start na tayo. As in, para sa tokneneng, walang measurement dito whatsoever. Once ko lang napanood yung video ni Lyra, na ginawa nila yung tokneneng, and I am purely depending on my very bad memory. So, ang alam ko for by the way, I've already peeled the eggs. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 eggs. So first is flour. Measurement was 2 parts of flour to 1 part of corn flour. Salt. Hindi ko gamitin yung salt grinder ko kasi I'm not sure. Should I put the salt now or now? I'll put it now. I think si Lyra nilagyan lang niya ng salt and pepper. Pero dahil yung pepper ko is nasa grinder, wala akong powdered. Hindi ko na lang siya lagyan. Actually, yeah, let's put here. Wala to sa recipe, but I like to put some garlic granules. Lagyan na natin yung egg ng nitong mixture na to. Kasi it's the same eh. Half 1 part of flour and half part of corn flour para I think later pag kinote na natin yung egg is didikit yung batter. So, tignan na natin siya. Super bright, no? But yeah. I boiled these eggs last night. So, ayan. Then, lagyan na natin ng water. Konting-konti lang. Let's see. I think it should be not too watery. Pero, hindi rin siya masyadong thick. I don't think I'm using the right tools here. No. More pa. I think okay na yung hang on. Consistency niya. Yeah. That should be perfect. Achwete powder. And I remember Lyra saying na depende na lang kung gaano mo ka orange gusto yung batter. I-set aside na natin siya. Ayan, so moment of truth na. We'll do the kwek-kwek. So I have the batter here and the eggs at pinapainit ko na yung mantika. So actually hindi ko talaga alam kung paano ko to gagawin. We'll just, you know, wing it. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Talking to Ate Jane. See?
Yeah?
I may feel it a little bit because I'm gonna put the ampalaya now.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, just right I'll be there shortly. I said as soon as the ampalaya cook, I'm gonna get ready myself, okay?
Okay, yeah, that's fine then. See you in a bit.
Alright, my love. Okay, see you in a bit.
Bye-bye. Okay, so, one of them... Someone's here now. Hindi ako marunong mag-Ilocano. Hey, Patsy! Come on in! Ate, magbablog ako, ah. I-film ko to. Hindi ko alam na ano. Patsy, just calm down. Pasensya na sa aso, pasok kayo. Uy, pumayat na nga yan, kawawan. Sit down. Uy, ano ginawa niyo? Kasi? Wow, ang sabi naman. First time kong gumawa ng kwek-kwek. Hindi kwek-kwek, pala tokneneng. Kasi wala akong itlog. Wala akong itlog na pugot eh. Sige, yan na lang. Ayun, thank you. Ang dami naman. Sige na natin sa freezer. Upo kayo, just put your stuff wherever.
Gusto kasi ni Nigel, marami siyang mga nakilalang kalagi natin.
Ang gigigil sa akin.
Sorry?
Gusto kasi asawa niya.
Sa wakas din, nagawa na din. Sino marunong mag-kwek-kwek? Eh, gumawa ako ng butter. Daing din ako ng salmon. Tapos prituhin natin maya-maya. Kaya nakapag-kwek-kwek ka na ba?
Hindi. Ano yan?
Egg siya din, tapos binalot ko siya sa flour din.
Ah, yung parang, anong tawag doon?
Di mo alam yung kwek-kwek?
Hindi. Ngayon ko lang narinig eh. Anong tawag nila dito? Sa itlog na yung Scotch egg?
Oo, pero yung di ba tinitinda sa vendor sa Pilipinas? Yung parang orange siya. Tapos yung sauce niya parang fishball. Oo?
Uwi tayo?
Po?
Alam kong kwek-kwek yung... Ay, one day old pala yun.
Ano yun? Ay, yung parang balot? Parang Pinoy?
Oo, hindi. Sisiw yun na one day old. Yun ang priniprito nila.
Ah. Eh, kasi feeling ko ano to eh, parang Bicol thing pa. Hindi kasi sa Maynila ang daming benta nito eh.
Ang gusto ko doon sa akin yung fishbowl nila.
Gagawa ako din ng fishball one of these days. May nakita akong recipe online.
Oh, wow.
Wala, nagkadikit. Sorry. Uy,
Ganyan.
Wow, kalat.
oh my gosh.
Tinik na ka. Puro tinik ulo.
Okay lang yan. Yan yung bumibili din ako ng buo sa... Ay, wait lang ate. Ay, naka-film tayo. Ayan na, oh. That's okay. Ito si Ate Jane. Hiya! Si Ate Jane. Si Ate Jane. Hi! Mga Pinay din dito
Merry
sa...
Christmas!
Yes! Merry Christmas na! Mga Pinay din dito sa, Pembrokeshire, Wales. At may darating pang isa si Ate Ana. I-off ko muna to at balik kami mamaya. Bye! I just want to introduce Ate Ana. That's Ate Ana. At dinala niya to Ginisang munggo. And you've already seen Ate Jay. Oh, ba't wala nagsasalita?
Kain tayo!
Guys, eto, what's this, oh?
It's a
Salmon.
salmon.
Ay, adobo. Yes.
Salmon adobo.
At salmon na Pinay.
Salmon fried.
Na.
Salmon fried, is it? Fried.
And spring rolls. At ang kwek-kwek na ginawa ko, let's eat.
And obviously, don't forget the rice.
Oh yes, of course. Wala tayong rice. At mamaya, ibabag rate natin si Ate Ana.
What is it?
Ate Ana, it's I'm gonna go through your bags and tell them what's inside it.
No.
Somebody said. Please? You want some please? Yes, I got it.
Oh, I'm gonna try your kwek-kwek. My first time kwek-kwek.
I feel like Ate, madidisappoint kayo sa kwek-kwek kasi that's just egg with butter.
What are we doing? Are we having...
Yeah.
Right, okay. Right.
Kwek-kwek, oh.
Right.
Help yourself.
Thank you. That's a traditional Filipino tradition.
Thank you.
How to eat Kamayan.
Kamayan.
Yeah. I'm gonna have you're cheating. You said you're gonna have use your hand.
Okay. Sorry, Te. Kain na tayo.
Let's
I'm
dig
so
in.
excited.
Dig in. Dig in. What is in there?
Just salad with.
And a salt.
Yes. And then,
I dropped it already.
ay, sorry, Te. It's really hot na yung
Ninakaw ko yan.
Kain pala tayo.
Oh, what?
Kain.
Dig in.
Hindi ka pwedeng mag-shooting kahit naka-block ka. Pwede.
So do I.
As in, ready, go.
That's the reason because my husband. It's
Wala ako. After this batch.
Salmon na Pinay.
Even that's up. Ate, huwag yung binibili ko.
There's a lot of-
Hindi. Tingin naman, oh.
Hello there.
Tapos i-screen capture ko yung mga pagkain yung mga ano natin mamaya.
Dito ako.
Did you get me?
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Tapos mag-selfie tayo lahat. Hindi ko alam.
So, siyempre ako na naman to kasi ako mahabang kamay.
That's what I always say to my friend.
Thank
you.
Pwede na kumain.
Whose drink is this?
Mine.
You want it? This.
Ay, kala ko yun sa'yo.
Kaya yun
yours.
yes.
That's yours.
Ako binom eh.
No water.
Yeah, mamaya.
Okay. Tapos na po kaming kumain at pare-pareho na kaming hindi makagalaw sa
Busog.
sobrang busog. There. I think it's time na para... Tingnan nyo yung naiwan. Wala.
Wala.
Ubos na. Actually, marami pa rin siya, pero ang dami na namin nakain. Hindi lang talaga namin kaya. 4 lang kami. So, ang gagawin na natin ngayon, we'll tidy up at tapos i-bag-rate na natin si... grade natin si Ate Ana. And then another time, si Ate Jane.
Lang naman yung bag ko. Yung bag ko kondom.
And then si Ate Banji. So, kay Ate Ana muna.
Right. Where's my
Ayaw
bag?
daw niya, pero... Tara natin. Wait lang, linisin muna namin yung lamesa bago ang lahat.
Okay. You're getting fatter like me.
Game na! Andito na tong bag ni ate, oh.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Upo na dun, oh.
What are you gonna see?
Ano nakalagay dyan sa bag?
Anong bag to?
Nothing.
This is from...
You can't see
Don't
anything.
You can see inside.
Di ba madilim? Kasi na...
M&S.
M&S collection.
Yung sa nila-
Marks and Spencers. Kita sila ate, oh. Ilan ang wallet mo? Kailangan madami.
That's for my keys. Where's my keys anyway? Where did
May,
they put?
may ano siya, may wallet siya para sa credit card.
That's for my. See, I told you because I took my key. My key is supposed to be in here.
Where's your keys?
It's in the kitchen. So
Wala naman siyang ulo.
that's basically credit card. No, my driving license.
Driving license.
Yeah, so you know, and my coins obviously. See how poor I am? I forgot.
I highly doubt that, oh. Tingnan yung hairstyle ni ate, oh. Imelda Marcos.
Shush! And
Imelda Marcos.
Imelda Marcos ng Pembrokeshire.
there you go. That's what I got in my.
Pen.
That's it.
Extra.
My wallet.
Checkbook. Checkbook. Kailangan mo dala palagi yung checkbook mo?
Yeah,
Why?
I always does.
Wallet niya?
Using my
Ang daming cards!
coming card, lahat card.
That's cards. The cards.
Yung may mga ano po, problema po sa pera, alam niyo na
Oh
po.
no. And my lipstick. That's 24 hours.
There you go.
80.
Maybelline.
Yeah.
Ruler.
24 hours.
Yan ba yun?
That's it.
Ba't
That's
ikaw
it.
nag-grade ng bag mo?
I haven't got anything.
At saka yung pin niya.
Yeah, which I dropped just now.
Ayan po ang bag ni Ate Ana.
See?
Ate Ana, how long have you been here sa UK?
Nearly 18 years.
18 years. So, mga veterans dito sa UK. Ako po ay 5 years pa lang. At si Ate Jane,
Hello.
ilang taon ka na dito, te?
Since 2010.
9 years.
Yeah.
At ito naman si Ate Banji, 18 months.
18 months pa lang.
Bunso.
Pinakabago.
Siya yung bunso. Ako po ay 5 years. So, ayan na po yung bag grade natin. Oy, say hi kay Rose Ann. Nagbablog din si Rose Ann.
Oh, hello, Rose.
Sayang wala ka dito. We will see you soon sa Secret Santa, ha? So, ayan na muna.
Soon.
I'll be back later. Bye-bye. Hi. So, nakauwi na po silang lahat. Sila ate. What a fun day today. Pleasant surprise to si Ate Vanji. Kasi nga, akala ko si Ate Jane lang at si Ate Ana lang yung makikita ko today. So, it was lovely to see her today as well. At sana po nagustuhan nyo ang vlog ko today, na-enjoy nyo rin as much as I did. I'm still full. Gabi na and I haven't eaten anything yet kasi ang dami kong nakain, obviously. And I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you sa mga nag-subscribe for me, sa mga new subscribers ko po. Maraming salamat. And sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, you know what to do. Please click subscribe and the notification bell. And like my videos as well. God bless you po sa inyong lahat. At see you again soon for my next vlog.